That hit me in the head.
You ready?
Yeah, what?
That's an outtake. Alright, anything else we need?
Looks like I'm recording video right now.
Okay.
Do a dance.
Rack.
What's the name of the gun?
Phoenix Arms HP 22A.
Okay, what do we know about Phoenix Arms?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Shit. So today we are talking.
I think we need to introduce ourselves a little bit. Just count to 5 and then
Shut
point
up.
to us.
Nope.
Nope. What else did you answer with? Rack.
You look cute in your safety glasses.
Yeah, I do.
For that, it's extremely accurate.
Yeah.
Hey, Sam. But
You're a good boy. Go to your room.
cut that out. I'm not really gonna argue.
There might be dog lovers out there.
You never know. Yeah.
Hold it better.
You gotta get it,
hold
man.
Like this. One more?
Yeah, one more. Need one more. Why do you shoot so shitty? Rack.
I wouldn't recommend it.
I don't want to. Fuck that.
Nah.
Something happened over there.
Yes.
Unless it's on safety, which is stupid.
Picture. I just took your picture.
What did I ask you?
What if I can do snapshots while I'm filming? Oh, I totally can!
Nice.
That's pretty sweet. Check this out. Hey, wife, do something funny.
Rack.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we are first person shooters, and we'll see you guys later.
I think that went pretty well.
I think so too, but this camera is off.
No.
And this camera just fell down.